Today is National Learn About Butterflies Day, so let's celebrate by discussing these incredible insects and the important native plants on which they rely. So first things first, butterflies are insects, and that means that they are cold-blooded. Being cold-blooded means they rely on the environment to regulate their body temperature. This is why we don't often see butterflies until springtime when it's warm enough, as butterflies need a body temperature of 80 degrees in order to be able to fly. However, they can get a kickstart by using solar energy. The power of the sun could give them the energy to pump their wings and raise their body temperatures. Butterflies undergo complete metamorphosis, starting off their life as a tiny little egg, which hatches into a teensy caterpillar that feeds and grows until it's ready to enter its pupal stage inside of a chrysalis. Eventually, this chrysalis hatches open and it emerges as the adult winged butterfly we all know and love. So butterflies that we have here in Pennsylvania can arrive a couple different ways. They can migrate here, like the famous monarch butterfly, or they could overwinter here in Pennsylvania's chilly climate. But how do they survive the freezing temperatures? Well, butterflies can overwinter as eggs, caterpillars, or pupa by hiding in the leaf litter. This is one of many reasons that you should not rake your leaves. Butterflies are not only beautiful, but they're also beneficial because they are pollinators of our native plants. This means they spread pollen from one flower to another and spur the production of a seed. So overall, what can we do to help butterflies? Number one, we want to leave the leaves alone. This is where butterflies overwinter. Number two, plant native plants. This is what butterflies recognize and reproduce on. Number three, don't use chemicals in your yard. Chemicals designed to kill plants and bugs will also kill butterflies. And number four, don't touch. Butterflies' wings are covered in microscopic scales, and by touching, you can rub those scales off. This can hinder their ability to recognize one another and reproduce, as well as camouflage and fly. Butterflies do not have the ability to heal their wings, so it's best if we observe from a distance. If you want to see butterflies, look no further than your Allegheny County parks. Many of our county parks have meadows, which are ecosystems that consist of grasses and flowers. One meadow of note is the one we're standing in right now, which is the Northfield at Latodami Nature Center. This 30-acre meadow contains plants that are specially planted for butterflies. So try visiting us in late June or early July to see blooming milkweed. Check out monarchs, fritillaries, and swallowtails hovering over above. I hope you learned something on this National Learn About Butterflies Day, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.